All right, today we're going to step inside a truly smart meeting room. We're pulling back the curtain to show you every single piece of tech that takes a meeting space from total chaos to an absolute powerhouse of collaboration.
You know the scene, right? We've all been there. You walk into a meeting room and what do you see? A giant mess of tangled cables all over the table. Someone's desperately trying to get their laptop connected, but the video feed looks like it's from 1995. And you're stuck juggling 3 different remotes just to get the screen to turn on. It's just so frustrating. It's a total waste of time and it kills productivity before you even get started.
But what if it could be completely different? I mean, just imagine walking into a space that's clean, professional, ready to go. Instead of that awful video, you get communication that's crystal clear. That mess of cables, gone, replaced by a clean wireless setup. And those confusing controls, forget them. Your meeting starts with a single, simple touch. Now, this isn't some far-off future tech. This is the solution we're going to walk through right now.
So what's the secret sauce here? Well, what's really interesting is that this seamless experience isn't built on random gadgets you'd buy at a big box store. No way. This is all powered by a foundation of trusted, enterprise-grade brands. We're talking about the heavy hitters. Names like Samsung or LG for displays, Poly for video conferencing, Crestron and Extron for control. These are all leaders in their fields, known for rock-solid reliability. This is a professional system, you know? It's designed for business, and it's built to last. Okay, so let's get into it. Here's what we're going to cover. First up, the display, the visual heart of the room. Then, we'll talk video conferencing, how you actually connect your devices, the control system that ties the whole thing together, the smart environment, and finally, the super important foundation, the cabling and installation. So, first things first, let's start with the most visible, most central piece of technology in the entire room. This is the canvas, right? It's where all your presentations, your video calls, and your big ideas really come to life. So what we have here is a massive 75-inch interactive 4K display from a top-tier brand like Samsung or LG. Honestly, the easiest way to think about it is like a giant professional-grade tablet that the whole room can use. It's your digital whiteboard, your presentation screen, and your video call monitor all rolled into one incredible device. Okay, so you might be thinking, what makes this so different from the TV I have at home? Well, a few huge things. First, that 4K Ultra HD resolution. It means everything is incredibly sharp, so nobody in the back is squinting to see the details on a spreadsheet. Second, it's a full-on interactive touchscreen. Your team can literally walk up and start drawing, annotating, and brainstorming right on the screen. Plus, this thing is built for business. It's designed to run 16 hours a day in and day out, without breaking a sweat. And maybe most importantly, it's not just propped up on some flimsy stand. It's held securely by a professional Btech or chief mount. That means you can safely tilt, swivel, and move it to get the absolute perfect viewing angle for everyone in the room. All right, so a great display is absolutely essential for the people in the room. But what about connecting with everyone else, the people who are remote? That's where video conferencing comes in. And this is all about making sure your team looks and sounds completely professional on every single call. The hero of this whole video setup is the all-in-one video conferencing bar from Poly. Now, this one device is a powerhouse. It's got a 4K camera, advanced microphones, and powerful speakers all built in. The camera is really smart. It actually uses AI to automatically frame the group or zoom in on whoever is talking. But the most incredible feature, it's how it handles sound. It has these technologies called noise block AI and acoustic fence, which basically create a virtual bubble of silence around your meeting table. What does that mean? It means all those annoying background noises, like people typing on keyboards or chatting out in the hallway, they're just gone. The people on the other end of the call hear only you. And of course, it's designed to work seamlessly with the platforms we all use every day, like Microsoft Teams and Zoom. So we've got a fantastic screen and a brilliant camera. But what about the biggest headache of all? How do you connect your laptop to share your ideas without creating that dreaded nest of cables all over the table? Well, this next part is all about making connectivity clean and completely effortless. The first piece of this puzzle is something called a tabletop cable cubby from a premium brand like Crestron or Extron. It's this super discreet box that sits perfectly flush with your meeting table. You give it a gentle press and it opens up to reveal all the connections you could possibly need. Power, HDMI, the newer USB-C, and even a hardwired network port if you need a rock-solid connection. It's just a simple, really elegant solution that keeps the table looking clean while putting all the ports right where you need them. But hey, what if you don't want to plug in any cables? I get it.
That's where the wireless presentation system from someone like Crestron or Barco comes in. And this is simplicity at its absolute best. You just take this little button, plug it into your laptop's USB port, click it, and boom, your screen is instantly shared on the main display. There's no software to install, no weird network logins, no calling the IT department for help. It's like magic. It just works. Okay, so how does the room know what to actually show on the screen, right? You might have one person plugged in with a cable, another sharing wirelessly, and maybe a video call is happening all at the same time. Well, as you can see here, everything, the laptop, the wireless button, the video bar, it all flows into one central box, the signal switcher. This little device, from a brand like Lightware or Extron, is basically the room's traffic cop. It automatically senses which device is active and sends that signal to the big display. The best part? The user doesn't have to do a thing. You don't push any buttons, you don't have to figure anything out. The system is smart enough to just know.
Okay, we've seen a lot of the individual pieces of hardware, but now let's talk about the component that brings them all together into one intelligent, seamless system. This is the real magic behind that one-touch experience we keep talking about.
Meet the control processor. This is, without a doubt, the brain of the entire meeting room. This box, from a world-class brand like Crestron or Extron, is what makes all the automation possible. It's programmed to understand commands, so when you press a single button that says Start Meeting, this brain knows it needs to tell the display to turn on, the video bar to activate, the lights to dim to the perfect level, and the curtains to close. It does all of that instantly and all at once.
And you know that control goes way beyond just the screens and speakers. A truly smart room also takes charge of the physical environment itself. It's all about creating the perfect atmosphere for whatever you're doing, whether that's a creative brainstorm or a formal presentation.
So using a smart lighting controller from a global leader like Crestron or Lutron, we can create these preset scenes. For instance, you could have a meeting mode that gives you bright, even lighting all across the room, which is perfect for collaboration. But then, with just one touch of a presentation mode button, the main lights dim down, and maybe the lights directly above the screen turn off completely. This gets rid of any glare and really focuses everyone's attention right where it needs to be.
And that one-touch control isn't just for the lights either. It also extends to the motorized curtains or blinds. So with one tap, they can close automatically to kill that afternoon glare. So how do you control all of this powerful tech? Not with some crazy complicated remote with a million buttons, nope. It's all done with a simple custom-engraved keypad right on the wall. The buttons have clear labels on them, words like presentation, meeting, and off. It's so intuitive that anyone, and I mean anyone, from the CEO down to a brand new guest, can walk in and set the perfect scene with zero confusion.
Okay, last but definitely not least, let's talk about the parts you don't actually see. This stuff is the critical, foundational plumbing of the whole system. It's what ensures everything works perfectly, not just on the first day, but for years and years to come.
Now here's something a lot of people overlook. The quality of the parts you can't see, like the cables, matters a lot. We're talking about using certified, high-quality AV cables from brands like Kramer or Crestron. This is what guarantees a perfect signal and prevents those super annoying glitches or screen flickers. Just as important is the expert installation itself. This is where trained technicians professionally set up and program everything to work together. And then comes the final, critical step, which is called commissioning. That's really just a fancy term for testing, but it means rigorously testing every single function to make sure all the different pieces of gear are talking to each other and working in perfect harmony, exactly the way they were designed to. So, when you put all of that together, what do you really get? Well, you get a completely transformed meeting experience. Your meetings start on time every single time with one simple touch. The room itself looks clean and professional, no more cable clutter. It delivers a premium experience that's going to impress your clients and, more importantly, empower your own team to just focus on what really matters. And because the whole system is built with these trusted enterprise-grade brands, you get that priceless peace of mind that comes with long-term reliability.
So in the end, what we've just walked through, it's not just a random collection of cool gadgets. What this is a future-ready, fully automated, enterprise-grade meeting room. It's a complete solution designed from the ground up to make collaboration simple, professional, and incredibly effective.